If your headlights look bright but still don't help you see well, or you feel like you're getting glare from oncoming traffic, you're running into the same topic that made Xenon headlights famous. Xenon headlights, commonly called HID headlights in the US, use a high-intensity discharge lamp filled with xenon gas instead of a traditional halogen filament. Step 1 is what that changes. An HID bulb creates light through an electrical arc, which can produce a strong beam with less electrical draw than some older halogen setups. Step 2 is the part drivers actually notice. With the right projector lens housing, xenon light can be sharply focused so you get a clearer cutoff line and better down-road visibility without spraying light into everyone's mirrors. Step 3 is the warning that matters. HID systems need proper housings and aiming. If you throw HID bulbs into a reflector housing that was designed for halogen, you can create dangerous glare even if the driver thinks it looks brighter. So the practical tip is to keep it factory correct or retrofit it properly. And always verify headlight aim after any change. Good lighting is not just brightness, it's beam control.